Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Train Taxi. My name is Recon MCA, also known as Assad Work. So today we're gonna play Train Taxi. And anyway, so give a shout out, and I'm giving a shout out to my friend Onik Das. Also, to my friend Amer, and one of my friends Shokibul, and one of my friends that is Tasif. So yeah, I'm giving those guys a shout out today. I'm right in the middle of my class, but anyways, so I'm making my YouTube video anyways. So we're gonna play Train Taxi today. Let's start. Please like and subscribe and press the notification bell and share all my videos. Okay, we're gonna play a couple of rounds. Oh, I'm just stuck. Ah, what's wrong? I'll have to restart. Ay, ay, ay. This is not fun. Okay, well, as you can see, my class is happening right there. My laptop's there. It's gonna be hard to see, but yeah. So I'm just gonna start my video, I guess. You like the face cam? I like it. I need a face cam. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lower the volume a little bit too loud. Ah! I wanna go through here. That was totally worth it. Ay. Ah. Ooh. Okay, this should do it. Let's go. A little more. A little more. Ah! I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, let's just go. Okay. Okay. Keep on going. Just collect these 2. Oh, more than 2 then. And last but not least, collect the last people. Okay, I want to go in the train. Oh, that's actually a cool train. That's an okay train actually. I'm doing random. Oh, get me something. Oh nah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're just getting us starting. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, one more game and this vlog is over. Hurry up. Okay, so let's continue. Last game. Oh yeah. I just give up sometimes on this game. It's too hard. My friends say it's a waste of time, but I still think it's okay. Just know how to play it properly. Okay, well that ends the vlog. Your boy Recon MC, also called Assad Work. So see you later. Peace out.